Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the book back exercise of the last lesson, True Friends. Okay. Comprehension. State whether the sentences are true or false. Write the false sentences correctly in your notebook. One morning at King Krishnadevaraya's court, three men entered carrying a golden statue of swan. False. Ramu grew vegetables and Shamu was a rice farmer. False. Shamu discovered the statue while watering his crops. False. Chatur Pandit wanted to take the statue to his temple. False. The minister thought that the swan belonged to the treasury. True. Tenali Raman thought that they should hide the swan. False. Next. Read the lines and answer the questions. Dear King, this swan has been found in the earth of this kingdom. Who said these words? Who was he? Chatur Pandit said this word. He was the court priest. What permission did he want? The permission to inspect this swan. What did the courtier realize? The courtier realized that he was a cunning person. He will steal that diamonds. Your Highness, I think we should auction this swan. Who said this words and to whom? Tenali Raman said these words to King. What would they do with the money from auctioning the swan? They wanted to build a beautiful garden. Why did the speaker suggest this plan? Because these true friendship should be remembered forever. That's why he suggests this plan. What did the others think of the plan? All are agreed to this plan and all are very happy to hear this plan. Next. Circle the option which is the closest in the meaning to the words from the story. Awestruck, amazed, destroy, build, ruin, take, ruin, dispute, solution, disagreement, argument, pleased, happy, sad, excited, happy, waterlogged, soaked, flooded, wet, flooded, valuable, rich, expensive, cheap, expensive. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. I dash a lot of homework to finish. I have to. I have a lot of. Let us dash a party for Children's Day. Let us have a party. I am going to dash my room painted. I am going to get my room painted. Mother will dash me watch cartoons today. Mother will let me. The teacher will dash Rajan learn his lines. Will make. The school will dash students take part in inter-school competition. The school will let students. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Sunil's mother dash cereal for the entire family. Sunil's mother is preparing. Sunil dash his uniform in his room. Sunil is wearing. His father dash him for breakfast. His father is calling. His sister dash only toast for breakfast and their mother dash angry with her. His sister is eating only toast for breakfast and their mother is getting angry with her. The twins are packing their bags now. There is complete confusion. Suddenly, the school van arrives. The children are yelling in the van. Next. Identify the sentences which are in the past continuous tense and underline the verbs. The boy is drawing with a pencil. This is a present continuous tense. Shahin was making a model aeroplane. Was making. So this is the past continuous tense sentence. The princess was wearing golden slippers. Was wearing is a verb and this is a sentence. Arvind is making breakfast for his parents today. It is a present continuous tense. Rani's mother was buying her a dress for her birthday. Was buying. Shamu was giving the swan to Ramu as it was the right thing to do. Was giving. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the verbs given in the brackets. I dash my room tomorrow. I will clean. I dash the report tonight. I will complete. I will complete the report. My mother dash a sweater for me. My mother will knit. Rama dash in the competition next week. Rama will dance. The king dashed to the race tomorrow morning. The king will go to the race. The carpenter dashed his work in 2 days. The carpenter will complete. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Don't dash in the corridor. Don't run. Dash in. You don't have to knock. Come in. Don't dash on the carpet with shoes on. Don't step on the carpet. Dash regularly if you want to do well in the school. Study regularly. Dash the blackboard before the next class begins. Clean the blackboard. For this, we finished our English course book. Tomorrow we will start our English grammar book. Okay? Thank you.